Let me tell you, sometimes a muscle can have 3 origins, 1 insertion. And deltoids is one of them where there are 3 insertion points and 1 insertion. 3 origin point and 1 insertion. Is that okay? Mm-hmm. Okay. Chalo. Jaho. This is the clavicle, everybody. Half of the clavicle from here to all the way up here is the origin point, right? Second, have you heard about acromion process? I think I taught you shoulder already, right? You know that biscuit type structure. This biscuit type structure is the second origin point. So I will write down here O1, O2, and then you know about spine of scapula? I think you know spine of scapula, right? And spine of scapula is
tickles.
It will tickle. Make it more tighter. Up like up. That's it. Spine of scapula is the origin number 3. Is that okay, everybody?
Yes.
And make it tighter. Very good. And it inserts somewhere here. Thank you. Keep it this way. Very good. Deltoid muscle is taking shape, everybody.
That's a big one.
So it's like 3 muscles.
Yes. Oh. It will look like a good one, everybody. I promise you.
Could be a tattoo.
I'm good artist. I know that.
We can see that.
Thank you so much. You will see in real human body also. See, everybody, humano, right? Humano. Forgive me for this thing. You thought it just to show, but I just trapped you. I tricked you. But I promise you, this ink goes very easily.
That's why you do it on someone else.
Yeah. Oh, look like the real one, right, everybody?
It's lucky you don't have a tattoo. We couldn't do this if you were tattooed, if you had a big shoulder tattoo.
That's why he has a lot of tattoos. To protect himself.
So, deltoid muscle have 3 fibers. This is the fiber which is called middle fiber. Yes or no? This one is called posterior fiber, P I make here. And this is the anterior fiber, I make what? A here. This is the insertion point, so I will make 1 eye here. Is that okay? Yes. Single eye. Now you will see deltoid muscle. Can you lift the arm up? Tighten it up completely. Like turn your back, turn, completely turn towards the whiteboard. Very good. Yes. Now arm sideways. Make it tight. Very good. Yes or no? 3 fibers. Can you make it up, 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 up? Very good. Make it more up. Right? Let me just explain you one thing, everybody.
Take picture of the body and
P.
It's on video.
P meaning posterior, and posterior fibers allow you to move your arm backward. You see that, everybody? Or move your arm backward this way. This way. And you see that fiber usually is slightly weaker than the other two. Other two are very strong, G. Yeah? This is posterior fiber. The middle fiber, make it more tighter. Lift. Yes, there you go, everybody. This is the middle fiber that abduct the arm up. Flexion of the shoulder, abduction of the arm, and front one. Sarah ji, be careful. This way. Make it tight. This is the front one, everybody. You see that? And this front one is for the shoulder of the flexion of the shoulder. And you raise the arm up, both of them. You can see, everybody. This is the deltoid muscle. Turn them this way. Good. Thank you so much.
Wow.
Thank you so much.
Well done, Alex. Well done.